Neighbor gave me a bunch of scrap lumber he had laying around because I always ask for the lumber. I'm putting a little shelf above the door. These are all bowed and chipped and falling apart. That one there has got a break in the middle where it bows in and out. So I got a screw on either end of it. But yeah, they're just all out of straight, if you want to put it that way. See, look at how that one's cockeyed down there. But made a little frame up there. Now I'm cutting the shelving to put up in there. Let's go this route so the lighting's better. I have a nice little shelf up there to put stuff like that crap, to clear that off. Stuff I'm not going to use for a while, I'll put up there. Alright, let me get back to cutting this. I already got one cut. I just made the mark for the other one. And I'll go show you how this one fits up there. Set this down for a sec. Alright. Here we go. That's going to go up there like that. Make my shelves up on top. Let me get this other one here cut. Alright, let's see if it'll do it here. Well, where's my line? Alright, that's that one cut. Now we gotta put it up there. See you in a few. Go this route. There we go. Pretty much done. There we go. And that piece was that width that I had to scrap laying around. It was the exact width I needed. A little bit short, but who cares? But I'm putting up there. Nothing's gonna fall through. But yeah, so I put some extra support beam here, an extra support beam there. I got those all toe-nailed in. See the bow on that one? If I put the bow up, since there's going to be weight on it, the bow is going to, if I put the bow going that way instead of that way, when I put weight on it, it'll come down. So, there's the shelf.